Hey, like I said in my last Homelab tour, my backup solution isn't maybe the smartest, but it works. So I decided to make a separate video how I have set it up and how it actually works. So like I said, my main hard drive is 4 terabyte straight pass-through from Proxmox to Windows 11, and Windows 11 makes it basically a network share. All my Docker containers and Plex library can access that drive, and all the data I have is basically stored in a one drive. My solution aims to basically fix that if the drive breaks, I don't lose any sleep up over it, because I have two backups. One basic on-site on a hard drive, external hard drive, and one offsite that gets every night backed up through Tailscale. If you're not familiar with Tailscale, Tailscale is basically a private secure network where your devices can talk to each other through private tunnel without exposing any ports to internet. How the backup itself works is that 3 a.m. every night a PowerShell script is launched on the Windows machine, which basically opens an Rclone session through the Tailscale to the other machine. When the script is launched, Rclone basically compares the original and the destination folders and sees what has changed and copies the changes to the backup folder. Also, if something has been deleted on the original machine, the Rclone moves files on the backup machine from current folder to versions folder. So I have 30 days of retention on files, so if I accidentally delete something or the script goes haywire, I don't lose any data. I have 30 days to get it back. Also, the script makes a logs and basically reports to me every morning through WhatsApp at 8 a.m. how much data was transferred between the machines. The reason for that is basically that I want to see some definite number that something was transferred. It might be 0 kilobytes, but at least I know the backup machine informed that number. That's one way to check also that the connection has stayed up. Rclone also is quite smart on that part, that if it fails middle of the transfer, it just keeps trying until it gets basically a checksum back for 100% that everything was moved that was supposed to be moved. I know there are smarter solutions like drive pools and mirroring and things like that, but the drive prices went through the roof just when I was building the machine, and I just decided that I don't want to spend any more on drives, and I'm gonna combat that solution with software. At the moment of this recording, the Seagate Iron Wolf 4 terabyte drives I'm using are basically €200 a piece. So making a drive pool or something mirroring the drives would cost me at least €200, maybe more. It depends on how many drives I would be using. So this is the reason why I wanted to do it on the software side. On my side, it's like I said, it's quite simple. Windows, Tailscale, Ubuntu, Rclone, and schedule task. It's been working fine. I haven't lost any data. I can actually check through Tailscale the machine with command line, and I see all the files. They seem to work. I can copy them back if I want. So, it's cheap, it is efficient, and it works. So, just the way I like it. Hey, I know this was brief, but thank you for watching, and see you next time.